Welcome back, and now it's time to work on some of the tags which is inside HTML. Okay, let's get into it. Before we start it out, let me just give you an idea that what exactly we are learning in this video. This video is a little bit shorter. Okay, why it's shorter? Because I wanna give you some time to spend on this kind of tags so that you can understand it very well before we jump on another tags. So tag will be like a heading. So what exactly the heading is? Okay, you might be see the newspaper there, and inside a newspaper we saw there are content, and the content which is inside the small letters, but there is a point which is a heading. The content of a heading is little bit bigger and it's on bold effect of a text, right? Whether it's Marathi, Hindi, English, either anything. So the content of a heading is little bit bigger than the content of that particular size, right? So we are talking about heading in this particular video. Let's get started. Now what I will do, I will just go on my body tag and I will just say that it's a heading. Why I'm saying that this is a heading and right hand. Okay, it's a heading. Okay, and okay, just comment. You need to press control and a slash, which is left side of a shift, and you can see the slash. You need to pass control plus slash so that you will get that shortcut to create a comment. Okay, now let's move forward, and here we can say h1. H1 means heading 1. So let's get started with Sanket, and let me just open my Go Live so that we can see it in a better way. Okay, so here is a Sanket. Okay, that's completely fine. That did we have only a one single heading tag? It's not. We have multiple heading tags. Now how are we gonna do and how are we gonna use those kind of stuffs? Okay, what I will do, I will just copy it and paste it for a few more times. Okay, it's almost like a 6 times. Okay, now what I will do, I will just try to put 2 there. Make sure that whenever you start h2, you need to close it up with h2. You can't say that, hey, I'm just starting h2 and closing with h1. It just not work. Okay, so make sure that also. So h3, and I will just put h3, and you can just do one more thing, like you can press alt and then you can just sit like this. Okay, you can see we can add it multiple things. If you wanted to do that, you need to press alt until you just get on multiple editing, so you can just go that way as well. So h6 and h6, save it. That's it. Go back to our Chrome browser and you will see, we can see the heading tags are also work like it's little bit decreasing, like h1 tag is bigger than other ones, h2 is bigger than the h3 but it's smaller than the h1, then h3 is bigger than the h2, sorry, it's smaller than the h2 but bigger than the h4. So like that. Okay, but if you're going with h7, what it will show you, let's just go with that way, because h7 is not presented. Okay, the smallest size of a heading will be this h6, and this is kind of a text. Okay, it's nothing, it's totally different from that, right? It is not comes with the bold effect and all the stuffs. So let me just hope you got the point. Okay, my battery is going to be low, so I hope you got the point, right? So just make sure that you are going to be understanding all the concept. H7 is not presented, but H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 are the heading tags for in HTML. Okay, we can use it in multi-purpose way, like you maybe say that H1 is too big, so we can go for H2, H3, H4, H5. Whether you are going for, you are using this in some couple of projects. Okay, so we need to understand it. So just do practice on yourself. After you do practice some of the stuffs like h1, h2, how exactly this kind of works and all the things, you will get a clear-cut idea that how we can exactly use it. Okay, so let's get into the next one. Let's see in the next. Okay.